If your Dodge Charger keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, you are not alone. Surprisingly, a faulty or cheap cable is the culprit in the vast majority of these cases. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate your connection failure. Start by swapping your cable and cleaning out the ports on both your phone and the car console. Sometimes the issue is purely digital, so check for Uconnect updates and refresh your phone pairing. If the problem persists, the USB hub module itself might be failing or have a loose connection. Try these DIY fixes first before committing to a costly trip to the service center. The price gap between a simple cable swap and a dealer-level repair is significant. Perform a hard reboot of the Uconnect system by holding the power and tune knobs simultaneously. Keep these items in your trunk to handle most basic connectivity troubleshooting on the go. Remember, always check your physical cables before assuming the car's electronics are faulty. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if a new cable did the trick.